every swimming pool has to have a perimeter of 1,000. So it says experiment with rectangular pools that have a perimeter of 1,000. So to find the perimeter, you add all your sides. So I know that I have to add all my sides, and they have to equal 1,000. So it says experiment. So no two people in this classroom should have the same answer. So I'm going to start with one of my sides being 10. So if that side is 10, this side is 10, I have to find out how much that side will be. So what I'm going to do is, to find the perimeter, you add all your sides. So I know x plus x is 2x, and 10 plus 10 is 20, and that has to equal 1,000. So 2x plus 20 equals 1,000. All right, so at this point, I'm going to solve my equation. So I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides. So 2x equals 980. So now what am I going to do? Divide by 2. So x would equal 490. Now, so I would suggest setting up a table. All right, so this is your dimensions. So we know that 490 by 10 gives me a perimeter of 1,000. So now it says, how do their areas vary? So your next column would be area. So to find area, you multiply your length times your width. So 490 times 10 is 4,900. So you'll do this for 10 different sets of dimensions. Then it says, what's the shape of the rectangle with the largest area? Then it wants you to compute the area of this circle. If the rectangle, so what would be your choice for the shape of the swimming pool? If you choose the rectangle pool, what is your preference for the dimensions? Then justify your choice. Alright, what that means is that is where you're writing with the words and you're explaining to me why you want that swimming pool. Your only consideration is to have a pool that encloses the most area. So you want your pool to have the largest area that you can have. So that's why you do this piece right here. This piece, you have to do that a minimum of 10 times. You have to have 10 different sets of dimensions. So this is number 1, 2, and put it in a table. Show your work over to the side, and then make you a table so you can keep up with your dimensions. Asia. No, well, hold on, time out. Say that again. The area of the circle is not 1,000. The circumference, the perimeter of the swimming pool of the circle is also 1,000. So you have to go back and use that to figure out what the area is. So you have to work backwards. And I believe that's on yesterday's video. So does this clarify the questions that we had about this problem? All right.